Good morning, all my loving students and all the members of my modern family. I welcome you in the e-learning program which has been organized by Modern Group of Institutions. I am Himanshu Verma, an English teacher from Bihar Sharif branch. In this video, I will teach and explain the summary and question answers of class 6 lesson 1. So let's start. The name of the lesson is Who Did Patrick's Homework? Students, firstly we need to try to understand from the name of the lesson. Who did Patrick's homework? There was a question in our mind. Patrick is a boy. Patrick is a student. Perhaps he had not completed his homework. So the name of the lesson is given here. Who did Patrick's homework? We have to study here who had done the homework of Patrick. Firstly, I would like to tell you there are mainly 3 characters of this lesson. First is Patrick, second is elf, that is like a doll here, and third is cat. Just try to understand the story. There is a boy whose name is Patrick. This is the story about this boy whose name is Patrick. Students, this boy is like you. He is up to your level. He is like your age. But when he went to in his class, he does not complete his homework. One day, Patrick saw that his cat was playing with a doll. We have to understand here. There was a cat in his house. And his cat was playing with a doll. Students, that was not a doll. When Patrick saw his cat was playing with a doll, then he went to near the cat and he picked up the doll. To his surprise, he found out that the doll is an elf. Now, what is elf? Now we have to understand here. The elf is like a short man. His height was very small. When Patrick went to near the elf granted a wish to Patrick. What was the wish? Patrick told to the elf, "What will you do for me?" Because elf granted a wish to Patrick. Elf said to Patrick that if you will save me from the cat, then I will grant you a wish. When Patrick listened it, he was very happy. Patrick was happy because he got what he wanted. Patrick told to Elf that you have to complete my homework because you have granted me a wish. Elf was agreed. But the elf did not know how to complete the homework. Elf does not know about any subject. He always asks to Patrick many more questions. Patrick was also annoyed. Elf was asking many questions to me, but he was happy because he was thinking that I am not doing my homework. My homework is being done by Elf. So he was feeling happy. Throughout the whole semester, Patrick was busy. He always guided the elf. After all, when the result was published, Patrick got a grade in his marks. All the friends were very surprised with his result. It was the brief summary of this lesson. Now I would like to discuss all the questions and answer of this chapter. First question is here. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? His cat was playing with a little doll. I have already told. Patrick was curious, and he also snatched the doll from the cat curiously. But after all, he found that it is not a doll. It was a man with minimum height. In reality, he was an elf. Elf means a minimum height of a man. Okay. In reality, he was an elf like human with mythical small being with magical powers. Elf was like a magic man. He had a magical power. So it was the answer of first question. Now let's discuss question number 2. Why did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Why did the little man? Because little man granted a wish to Patrick. The answer is clear here. The cat was playing with the elf. The cat may kill the elf. So elf was thinking that there is only one option, which is Patrick. So he granted a wish to Patrick. If you will save me from the cat, I will complete your wish. Okay. Question number 3. What was Patrick's wish? Because elf has given a wish and Patrick was also happy because he needs help in his homework. So Patrick never wanted to do his homework. Patrick was a clever student here because he was thinking that now I have got a chance. If elf will complete my homework, my result will be very good. All the teachers will be happy in my class. So Patrick asked his wish to elf. That you have to complete my homework. And it was the wish of Patrick. Now question number 4. In what subject did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Students, in what subjects little man need help? It is clear that little man does not know how to complete the homework. Little man does not know about any subject. So there are 3 subjects have been mentioned in this lesson. First is English. When elf was helping to Patrick to complete the homework, then elf always asks explanation of every word from the Patrick because he does not know any word meaning about English. Second subject was math. He always needed timetable and explanation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. Because he did not know anything about any subject. The third subject was history. He also did not know anything about history. Therefore, we can say that the little man knew nothing about the subjects and he was always asking to Patrick. Okay, now the question number 5. How did Patrick help him? We have to think here. Patrick was helping always. We can write the answer of this question is Patrick explained. Patrick was helping in each and every subject by the telling the meaning of word, about the timetable, by doing multiplication, division and all the calculation of mathematics. He was also bought some books from library and gave it to the little man. It means he was always helping in solving the problems of the homework. It has been done by Patrick. Now the last question is 6. Who do you think did Patrick's homework, the little man or Patrick himself? Give reason for your answer. Students, now you have to write this answer from your own word and you have to think that who has completed the homework of Patrick or Elf. But in my opinion, it is clear that also Elf was doing homework, but Patrick was doing everything. Elf does not know any subject. Elf does not know how to solve mathematics, what is the meaning of any word, what is calculation. Thus we can say that all the homework which has been done by the Patrick. Students, I think you understood very well. I would like to request to all you, is there any confusion in your mind? Please share. I will try to solve your problem in a very simple way. Thank you. Best of luck. One thing also, you have to complete your fair of lesson 1. It will be your homework and the syllabus of April have been completed. Now you can write in your fair copy. It will be very good for you as well as us. Thanks a lot.